Aloha, thank you for joining me today. Hey man, this is going to be a fun video. I am going to show you the best beaches on West Maui. I mean the very best ones. Okay, once again, I'm Steve and you're watching Maui Travel Videos. If you really want to dive deeper into a particular beach, go down to the description field and you'll see all the beaches. I have a video on every one, where to park, all kinds of things about that particular beach. Come on guys, let's go take a look at the best beaches on West Maui. Hey, Baby Beach is a family-oriented beach. The water is calm. It's really good for small children. Hey, just a reminder folks, these are the West Maui beaches. So they're going to start as you come through the tunnel from Kihei, Wailea, Kahului, Wailuku, upcountry, the airport. The very first one you're going to see is Papalaua, all the way up to D.T. Fleming Beach. And also I'm going to throw in Honolulu Bay. Of course, Black Rock is a top beach, but don't forget the entire Kaanapali Beach area, stretching from the Sheraton all the way down to the Hyatt. It is an excellent beach if you're staying in the Kaanapali resort area at any of the resorts along there. It's one of the best beaches on Maui. Napili Bay Beach, probably my favorite. The reason is you can start off with breakfast on the south end at the gazebo and then head over to the beach. Or if you're doing an afternoon beach outing, you can go down to Napili Kai at the Sea House restaurant for happy hour, one of the best happy hours. Napili Bay is my favorite. Papalaua Beach, Papalaua Bay Beach, also is one of my favorites. It's a top beach also. Really good place to see turtles. People ask me all the time, where can I see some turtles? Napili Bay Beach, Papalaua Bay Beach, that's the place to go. I'm going to go ahead and throw in Honolulu Bay. It is not a beach, folks. It's one of the top snorkel places on the island, but there's no sandy beach to stretch out, take a nap. It's rocky. It's meant for snorkeling, scuba diving, but I'm going to go ahead and include it here on the west side. Can't leave Honolulu Bay off.